Right, now finally it's downloaded. There we go, Artisteer. So I'm going to go to the folder that I downloaded it into. There we go, Artisteer. Double click on the little Artisteer file and this will bring up the installer. Security warning, do I want to run this file? Yes I do. And here's the installer right here. Select a language for the installer, English. It says it's strongly recommended you exit all Windows programs before installing. Every program you install says that, and it's usually fine. So I'm just going to click next. If you want to have a scan through the license agreement, you can do that here. Tick I accept the license agreement and click next. It's going to ask you where you want to install it. The default install location is usually fine, so just click next again. If you want a desktop shortcut or whatever, you just leave those ticked and then click install, and in a few short seconds or minutes it will copy all of the files onto your computer for you. Let me just pause while that happens. There we go. Once that process is complete, it'll say finished, installation was successful, and if you leave this box ticked and click finish, it will actually run Artisteer for you. So I'm going to do that. Click finish, and then it should load up Artisteer for me. And here we have Artisteer. What I'm going to do is just bring up this folder here, this little file that installed Artisteer for us. You can either keep this if you want to, but generally they're always releasing slightly better versions. So if we ever did need this file again, we could just go back to the Artisteer website and download it, and we'd be better off anyway, because every time we download it from their website they're always going to be giving us the latest version. So as you see there, I've downloaded version 4, which it says there, Artisteer 4 Standard Edition. So by deleting this little file, it won't affect what we've just installed, because that's just the actual program that installs it for us. All we need to do now is click on the icon on the desktop and it will load up Artisteer like this for us. Okay, now we've successfully installed Artisteer. That's this step successfully completed. So in the next section I'll walk you through how to get from this point, which is successfully installing Artisteer, to actually start using it to build your website skin, or it's also known as your website theme.